Hello dear friends and welcome to your YouTube channel, Civil Engineering with Reza. It's truly an honor for me to have you here. As I have promised you, it's our first official tutorial on learning AutoCAD software. In this session, I will try to inform you about the table of content and the subjects that we are gonna learn through this tutorial. So if you are a beginner in learning AutoCAD or you want to improve your skills, you are in the right place. And please be with me until the end of this video because I will surprise you with some gifts. The software AutoCAD, as you can see, we have the short form of CAD or CAD. What is the meaning of this CAD? It's the meaning of computer-aided design or computer-aided drafting. I will inform you more about this CAD on the next slide, but let's see this. In technical drawing, in the past, it was used manually. So it was time-consuming and maybe it contained some mistakes. But nowadays, by improving the softwares and the computers, this kind of softwares like AutoCAD helps us to increase our speed in drawing and also lessen our mistakes. And we can draw 2D and 3D models in AutoCAD software. And the company that is owner of this software is Autodesk, which started his work on publishing the AutoCAD software in December 1982, and the latest version that we will learn with that our AutoCAD tutorial is AutoCAD 2025. Let's talk about the fields that AutoCAD is useful. Actually, civil engineers, architectural engineering, and electrical engineers and mechanical engineers are the wide range of fields that use AutoCAD in their field. So if you are a student in this field, this tutorial and videos are helpful for you. As I have promised you, let's talk about 3 short form or abbreviations, which is CAD, CAE, and CAM. Actually, CAD, as I have mentioned previously, is computer-aided design. So its main goal is designing, and it is widely used by designers and engineers. And the output that we receive from this CAD softwares is our 3D models or drawings in 2D form. And the softwares which are useful in this field are AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and also CATIA. About CAE software, which is computer-aided engineering, we use most of these softwares for analyzing and simulation of our model. It means that when we applied a load on our model, what can we receive as its stress, strain, deformation, and these kind of things. So it's for analyzing, and the softwares like Abacus, ANSYS, and COMSOL are these kind of softwares that help us to analyze our model. On the other hand, CAM, which is short form of computer-aided manufacturing, is used actually for manufacturing process. It means that the plots or the drawings that we have received from our CAD, we put them as an input in, for example, in CNC machines. And if we have a steel plate and we want to make hole inside them by CNC and giving these codes, we can get the output for our model as a production process. And in the picture, you can see that CAD shows the designing process of this face, and we have CAE models which shows us the analysis of stress, strain, and deformation and these kind of informations. So let's talk about the table of contents that we are gonna to confront with this in our tutorial. At first, we are gonna to speak about getting started part. It means that we will learn how to open the software, how to save our models, and some kind of informations like that. Then we are going to speak about user interface and navigations. It means that the windows that we have inside our software, about the tabs, and also how to move inside our windows, about zoom and other codes that we can use. Then we have in third part, basic drawing commands. It means that you can imagine a building. It means that a plot of a building, a room, and in that we have walls. For drawing that walls, we can use lines. It means that we use the line command to draw that line. We will learn the drawings, basic drawings like line, circle, and these kind of informations step by step and also completely. Then we will go to a different way of selection methods, because if we select from right to left or left to right, it's different ways and they have different outputs. I will inform you completely them. Then we will talk about the drafting settings, and in part 6 we will talk about the modify commands. Imagine that we have a line and we want to have 20 lines similar to that. If we want to draw 20 times that, it's time consuming, and we use softwares to increase our speed. So we have modify commands and we can use copy, and easily we can produce and duplicate 20 times that line. Then we will talk about the object properties and utilities. Object properties, it means that our line or any object that we have, it has its own properties, like the color, like the line type and line width, and this kind of information that we can change them and modify them. Then a plot without having the dimension is nothing. It cannot give practical information for the people who want to make it realistic. So dimensioning is the most important part that we will talk about in annotation part. And after that, we will talk about the layers. You can imagine a plot of a one-story building, as I have mentioned you, the plan of that. In that plan, we have walls, doors, windows. We can use different layers to naming them, because it will make our works easier and more concise. That I will speak about them completely in their location. Then we will talk about the blocks, how to create them, or we can use some kind of existing blocks. Then we will talk about in part 11 about the groups and editing commands. Finally, in part 12, we will talk about the printing, because we have now our model, we have our objects, then we want to make them as an output, like a PDF file, or we want to print them in our printer. We will learn how to do that, and finally some more information, some advanced commands and different things that we are gonna to learn step by step. So now, what to expect from this series? Actually, in this series, I will break down AutoCAD into easy to understand lessons. And each video will focus on practical skills and tips that you can apply right away. We will start with the basic, and gradually we will move to more advanced topics, so you can build your knowledge and confidence. In this way, as I have mentioned you that I will give you some surprises, it's that I will also provide you the practice files, because our work is not just, for example, learning the commands. Actually, we will use practices and real practices to help you understand the issue and use them in your real life. So in this case, I will give you the AutoCAD DWG file of the files. I will upload them and you can download them easily and you can use them as a practice way. So, and if you want to get most out of this channel, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to be alerted, please hit that bell icon, and if I upload any new video, you can understand that there is a new video and you can watch it to learn more. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any idea, you can add in comments part and I will answer them and I will check them. And as I have promised you, our teachings will be based on your requests. Our next video will be the first official session of learning AutoCAD, which is getting started. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Take care and goodbye.